Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, December 14th, 2023. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Now, what was most important from yesterday's session was the long-awaited pivot. Fed Jerome Powell last month warned of head fakes from inflation. Investors have been faked out by false promises of shifts from the Fed before, and this time was different. Powell more or less confirmed that officials are done raising rates for now, and the accompanying forecasts show a series of rate cuts in the not so distant future. So in central bank parlance, that's a dovish message, implying looser policy may be warranted. It's the opposite of the hawkish message of the past few meetings when Powell maintained that rates will need to stay higher for longer. Of course, give the market an inch and it will take a mile. Traders promptly priced in deeper cuts than what was predicted by the Fed. The gap between market expectations and the central bank remains, but at least they are both pointing in the same direction now. And now, it's no coincidence that the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at a new high yesterday, or that Apple, the market capitalization of which has grown by $1 trillion this year, also finished at a record. There are even signs that the stock rally could be widening from the so-called Magnificent Seven that have driven gains for much of the year. The rising bond yields or kryptonite for stocks are retreating. The 10-year Treasury yield is back below 4% after touching 5% just 2 months ago. Gold prices are hovering around record highs, helped by the prospect of lower rates. Now, the euphoria feels appropriate, but Powell also cautioned that the economy may have more surprises ahead. Indeed, this will be the moment of maximum optimism for traders. Enjoy it, but know that eventually sentiment will return to earth. So that being said, 17,000 is our target for the Nasdaq. Okay, 16,600 will be that support if it happens to turn around and drop. For the S&P, 4,800 as a target. 4,720 is our support. For the Dow, 38,000. Why not? We're 500 points away from it. That could happen. Crude oil is recuperating, so let's see if we see north of $72. Nat gas is also recuperating. Let's see if we hit $2.40. And gold is the one that yesterday has spoken. The resistance that given was actually 2,000, and that was the target. And we may actually surpass that by what? By $27. So that's a pretty good move yesterday. And then we have silver also moving to the upside to 24.50. Then we have copper also coming to the upside. 390 will be the target. Bitcoin is just lingering around north of $42. Let's see if it'll sustain itself. Then we have the euro, which ECB came out saying that they're going to hold rates steady. So let's see if that will boost the euro somewhat. Then we have pound also looking to trade north of 127. And the dollar index, this is the one that we want to be keeping an eye on. Also 102. If this continues to drop 102 and even more, we're going to be seeing a nice move to the upside on everything just today. So keep that in mind. Have a nice day, and I will see you tomorrow.